Okay, so SAP have moved and started simplifying the things. And the first thing they started simplifying was a simple finance. Finance is the module which they started first. Why? Why they selected finance? Because finance is the most used product from SAP. Any implementation of SAP happen, at least in my last 20 years, I have not seen where FICO module is not there. PP might be there, SD might be there, MM might be there or not, but 100% project FI would be there. So because of the usage of finance, because of the adoption of the finance module, the finance become the first module which start getting changed. Okay, they started, okay, now improve the finance module and let's say whether we can change it. What kind of things we can change it. Here still, there is a technical name to the application layer. In Suite on HANA or in ECC, application layer is called APPL. That is a technical name of the application layer. Okay. Because I said application, right? The application layer name is APPL, right? So here I am particularly mentioning the application layer ECC APPL because whatever the changes has been done, it has been done onto this application layer. Also, the database was HANA database, but I have used the ECC application layer, and within ECC application layer, I have changed the functionalities of finance module, which means people get confused. First thing is that the Simple Finance is a product. They launch it as a separate product, Simple Finance, where basically your data model changes. Here your ACDOC table comes in Simple Finance. It's a separate product which work on HANA database. Application layer is ECCL, APPL, but on this ECC application layer, we have a add-ons which has been added. Add-on of Simple Finance has been added on to top of that to make sure we change the data model and we were able to adapt to the functionalities of the HANA database. But all other modules, PP, PM, your QM, SD, MM, work as it is in Simple Finance. Some people think that Simple Finance is some product which is made only for the finance consultant, only finance things would be working. But Simple Finance is basically your ECC only, working on HANA database, but having an add-on of the finance changes. So first ECC was there. They bring the ECC onto the HANA database system. Now onto the ECC application layer, they change the things for the finance and they bring it up with the Simple Finance. Okay, so the data model change, the ACDOC table comes, the add-on function and feature, some advanced function and feature came, some innovative Fiori application came. Logistics module work as it is in Simple Finance. There is no change on the logistics module on the Simple Finance part. So that is a Simple Finance which would be working. All other module as it is, but add-on on your ECC application layer would be there. Your data model for finance will change. So the major changes in the finance will come into the Simple Finance.